farsightedness, and indomitable willpower and the dint of hard work. When these come together, they can drive change. This is an initiative to help creative youth from marginalized scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities with both guidance and capital to become entrepreneurs. And what better occasion than Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's quasi-centennial birth anniversary. Created jointly by the Maharashtra state government and IDBI Capital Markets and Securities, this foundation of entrepreneurship for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe youth helping many find gainful business engagement. These new entrepreneurs are becoming self-sufficient while creating employment opportunities for thousands more. Veg Sutra multi-cuisine takeaway and delivery restaurant. This chain has now got outlets in Mumbai's Andheri and Goregaon. Started in 2011, Veg Sutra is now planning an expansion. It has already provided employment to 53 people, of which 31 are from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities.
We are into food business since 2011. Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Fund for SC/ST has helped us for further growth, further expansion. We are planning to generate new employment around 300 people in the year 2021-22.
Cars Footwear Industries Limited. Another such initiative is a leading manufacturer of men's fashionable boots and safety boots for use in heavy industries. This footwear company is now expanding into the retail space with showrooms at Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. The company is also looking at diversifying from footwear and getting into the manufacture of leather bags. While increasing its footprint, the company has also kept up to its commitment to social responsibility. Most of its employees are project-affected women from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities.
It has helped us greatly to procure raw material in this critical situation of pandemic. This fund has helped us in a big way. In this factory, we have about 80% ladies working with us. The shoes which are made by them are sold all over in Europe, America, and Dubai and all those countries. This fund has really helped us.
Instant Technologies Private Limited is yet another example of how innovative entrepreneurs from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities have benefited from funds made available by IDBI Capital Markets under the Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar scheme. At a time when the government is talking of self-reliance, here is an Indian company providing IT solutions in the banking sector. It is also instrumental in providing digital payment options to small businesses. This has benefited small businesses in these times of corona crisis.
We provide solutions for point of sale, smart POS, QR code and the new FASTag toll collection. The credit finally goes to Babasaheb Ambedkar Venture Fund created by Government of Maharashtra, given through IDBI Capital.
Dhanvantari Bioremedies Private Limited, a prominent manufacturer of nutritional supplements, is a name to reckon with in the health sector. This company too has created employment for youth from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities. The company was started with the dream of making India diabetes free within a decade. The company started contract farming initiatives in Nagpur and nurseries in Navi Mumbai. The company has succeeded in making supplements like stevia sugar as an alternative to sugar,
which is safe for diabetic and health conscious people. Those who are diabetic, if they are enjoying this sugar, their sugar will not get increased. Totally directly we are giving employment to the 80 people, and indirectly we are giving employment to the 500 people for agriculture. This way we will create a lot of employment, and we are giving the good quality product to our customers, and I am very thankful to IDBI and the Government of Maharashtra.
Where there is a will, there is a way. Bizcroft, a leading bag manufacturer, supplies to top brands like VIP and Samsonite. At a time when expansions were creating a cloud over dwindling capital, IDBI Capital Markets provided capital under the Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar scheme. This has helped Bizcroft plan the installation of 80 more machines at its Bhiwandi factory, where 55 youth from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities have found livelihood.
We are into manufacturing of all kinds of bags like backpacks, travel bags, handbags and other things. we have a fully compliant factory of 100 machines which produce around 3 million bags per annum. And the beautiful thing is that we are the OEM partners for world's biggest brand Samsonite, and we are producing their American Tourister bags, High Sierra labeled bag, and so on.
Managing plastic garbage is a challenge facing our world. Tushar Gadale, a young businessman, began with the aim of recycling plastic waste and making plastic items for household cleaning. He started production of eco-friendly products from recycled plastic granules through the Bhagya Lakshmi Ferro Alloys Private Limited.
प्लास्टिक क्लीनिंग आइटम्स मैंने स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि क्लीनिंग आइटम्स ऐसा है कि हर घर में यूज़ होता है, जैसे ग्रास ब्रूम है, प्लास्टिक मॉप्स है। भारत रत्न डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर फंड्स का पता चला मुझे कि मैं एक छोटे लेवल पे काम कर रहा था। सिर्फ विदर्भ में मेरा मटेरियल सप्लाई होता था। पहले मैं कई जगह से जॉब वर्क करके बनवा के लेता था कई सारे प्रोडक्ट्स। अब उसकी खुद की मशीन इंस्टॉल किया और एरिया ऑफ सेल्स भी बढ़ाया। जैसे मैं सिर्फ पहले विदर्भ में सप्लाई करता था, तो अभी MP, छत्तीसगढ़, फिर पूना, अपना महाराष्ट्र में और मुंबई, ठाणे, अभी ठाणे साइड, कल्याण साइड में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स वगैरह अपॉइंट किए थे।
Farsightedness and indomitable willpower and the dint of hard work. When these come together, they can drive change.
We give money, we give capital through this venture capital fund, and then we take equity of this company. IDBI is our partner in managing this venture capital fund. They also advise, help, guide, mentor these entrepreneurs from scheduled caste and scheduled tribes so that there is a growth of their companies.
We invest in the company which are owned 100% owned by scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs. We can invest up to 5 crore and 80% of the project cost.
We take equity of these entrepreneurs, we look into their company, give their equity, we see their how the business profile is.
They have to provide us caste certificate and caste validity certificate which make them eligible to get to approach to the fund for the investment.
This is an initiative to help creative youth from marginalized scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities with both guidance and capital to become entrepreneurs. And what better occasion than Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's quasi-centennial birth anniversary. Created jointly by the Maharashtra state government and IDBI Capital Markets and Securities, this foundation of entrepreneurship for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe youth helping many find gainful business engagement. These new entrepreneurs are becoming self-sufficient while creating employment opportunities for thousands more.